Within the production area of instrument transformers, ABB has three major groups of oil-insulated instrument transformers. The IMB current transformer is the world's most sold current transformer and is installed in the tropics as well as in the Arctic regions. By virtue of its low center of gravity and sturdy design, it is even highly suitable for earthquake-prone regions. The EMF inductive voltage transformer also holds the #1 position in worldwide sales in the oil-insulated voltage transformer range. It is designed according to the same basic concept as the current transformer. ABB was the first in the world to manufacture capacitor voltage transformers. They are constructed with an inductive part and a capacitor part, in which the capacitor works as a voltage divider. For high voltage, several capacitors are connected together. Thanks to a mixed dielectric, a dependable reading is ensured during all types of operational conditions. ABB's instrument transformers are manufactured in brand new facilities with state-of-the-art automation, which ensures consistent high quality. The primary winding of the current transformer is insulated with paper. In order to achieve an even voltage distribution in the insulation, the winding is provided with capacitive layers. The secondary winding is built on a core, where the size is determined by the customer's specification. The completed cores with a secondary winding are mounted on the primary winding. The active part is then dried in an oven while in a vacuum. After drying, the active part is lowered into its tank, and then all the terminals are connected. Current transformers are always built according to the principal design, irrespective of their size. All of the connections are checked in order to ensure their function. After this is carried out, the upper part of the tank is assembled. Insulators are available in either brown or gray porcelain or in the ever more popular composite insulator. The current transformer is filled with pure silica sand in order to reduce the amount of oil and in order to stabilize the mechanical property. This unique method has been used by ABB for more than 50 years. The expansion vessel is mounted at the top. The assembled current transformer is filled with oil while exposed to heat and vacuum. Thanks to the design of the oil sight glass, the oil level can be easily checked. The low voltage and high voltage windings of the inductive part, in both the capacitor and inductive voltage transformers, are constructed in the same way. The low voltage windings consist of only approximately 100 turns, but the high voltage windings are wound with a very thin wire, up to 50,000 turns. A sheet of paper insulation is laid between every layer. The inductive part and its high voltage connections are then insulated with paper. The windings are dried in a vacuum while in an oven and are fitted with an iron core. The inductive part is now completed and is mounted in its tank. It is then provided with a porcelain insulator and filled with silica sand and oil, just like the current transformers. The capacitor voltage transformer is fitted with a compensating reactor to compensate for the phase angle error and a damping circuit to resist ferroresonance. After the vacuum process in the oven, the inductive part is lowered into its tank, which is filled with oil. The capacitors are manufactured of aluminum foil and have an insulation consisting of paper and plastic film. They are stacked with insulation distances in a package that is pressed together until the prescribed pressure is reached, thereby affecting the capacitor's capacitance. The single package is soldered together. Thereafter, every unit is tested in accordance with the applicable standards. A quality identification check is carried out continually during manufacturing by means of a barcode for every unit. After vacuum drying, the capacitor package is mounted into its insulator. The completed capacitor is impregnated with a special type of synthetic oil. The last stage includes the mounting of the capacitor and the inductive part. Prior to delivery, a routine test is performed for every instrument transformer in accordance with the applicable standards. ABB's complete range of instrument transformers consists of IMB current transformers available in voltages from 36 to 800 kilovolts with current up to 4,000 amperes and short circuit current up to 80 kiloamperes. The EMF inductive voltage transformer is available for voltages from 52 to 170 kilovolts. And the CP capacitive voltage transformer is available for voltages from 72 to 800 kilovolts. All of the instrument transformers are custom-made to meet the customer's requirements. Thanks to ABB's trustworthy design, every instrument transformer has a service life of at least 30 years and does not require regular inspections until 18 to 20 years of operation. ABB is the clear choice for those who value high-quality products and demand reliability.